Thanks a lot, sir. Before we begin the much awaited awards distribution ceremony, I would request Dr. Ravi Gupta to greet the esteemed guests on the dais by presenting a bouquet. Today, millions of MTV fans would be commemorating its anniversary. But today, we would be acknowledging and celebrating the innovations and the glamour of hard work, commitment, and dare-to-do spirit of hundreds of projects which came across for this eWorld Forum Awards entitlement. There was an eminent panel of jury which evaluated these 200 plus nominations. 222,000 votes were polled by 90,000 people for over 200 projects in 30 categories. The extent of outreach of these awards can be ascertained from the fact that many of the organizations put forth a notice on their official portals to poll for these awards. Now, before we go forward for the award announcements, I would request the eminent panel to unleash the eGov special issue on the eWorld Awards. This special issue contains the compilation of all the award winners. We also have the awards in the e-health category. So I would request the eminent panel again to inaugurate the e-health special issue on the eWorld Awards. I would now request the Honorable Minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, to give away the eWorld Awards in the e-governance category. The first award in the eGov portal category in the Public Choice Award goes to the National Portal of India, india.gov.in. The award goes to the Data Center and Web Services Division of NIC. I would request the representatives to please come and receive the award. In the Best eGov Portal category goes to the Chhattisgarh Online Information for Citizen Empowerment. The award goes to Chhattisgarh Infotech and Biotech Promotion Society. Is anyone from CHIPS? The award Government to Business Initiative. The Public Choice Award goes to the e-procurement of goods, works and services in Mahanadi Coalfields Limited. Business Initiative category goes to the e-services project of the Government of Orissa Commercial Tax Department. Initiative Award in the Jury Award category. The Public Choice Award in the Government to its Citizen Initiative goes to the E-Shakti project for their ICT enablement for MNREGA in Bihar. All the photographers to please give sight to the audience. The view to the audience is obstructing completely. So kindly sit down or be on one side of the stage. Thank you. The Jury Award in the Government implemented by the State Election Commission, Gujarat. To please cooperate. Please. Public Choice Award in the Government to Government Initiative category goes to the GSI Enterprise Portal of the Geological Survey of India. The Jury Award in the Government to Government Initiative category goes to the Fingerprint Bureau Integration with Crime and Criminal Database Project of the Tamil Nadu Police. I would request the photographers to please sit down or be on one side, please. National award in this category goes to the Geospace project of the Singapore Land Authority. The ICT in Public Sector Undertakings category, the Public Choice Award goes to the Anytime Bill Payment Kiosk of the Forbes Technosis Limited. The Jury Award in this category goes to the automated B2B process implemented by the Indian Oil Corporation. To the next award, I would request the Honorable Minister to deliver his keynote address.
Seated on the dais with me, Secretary Telecom and IT, my old colleague, Mr. Chandrasekhar, Mr. Narayan Shankar Agarwal ji from the IT department, Ravi Gupta ji, Director of ELETS and proponent of this award ceremony and program, and most importantly, ladies and gentlemen seated before me this evening, current awardees, past awardees, and prospective awardees. Let me first say this, that it's indeed a pleasure to be here. I almost feel as if I am wearing my old hat of being part of this department. Mr. Chandrasekhar and I were just conversing a few minutes ago, and I still feel very, very attached to this wonderful department, a department of convergence between IT, telecom, and posts, a department of service, a department of connectivity, and a department that provides a tremendous value proposition to 20% of the world's population that resides in our country. So indeed is a great honor, and let me thank Ravi and Narayan ji for giving me the excuse to feel back at home once again, if I may use that term, at this IT award initiative. Chandrasekhar ji has in his address outlined very clearly the path that our country is taking, the path that all of you are taking. And in many ways, this is a sector and this is an initiative which has the capability of transforming millions of lives across the length and breadth of our country. So at the outset, I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate the organizers of this function for instituting such an award ceremony to celebrate successes, small and large, to celebrate capabilities of today and for the future, to celebrate catalysts in the reform process that our great country is undergoing since 1991. There has been considerable progress in the area of ICT. Today, 25% of the world's population is connected by the internet. 25 to 30 million people in India are connected by the internet. When I first returned from university in the States to India, and it wasn't too long ago, though it seems like a lifetime, in 1993, there was not even a single mobile phone in our country. In a period of 18 years, India has gone from zero mobile connectivity to 840 million mobile phones at last count. That is the potential that this sector presents. Urban or rural, all across the demographic age profile, all across every income profile. The one thing that technology has proven again and again and again throughout history is that A, it's all pervasive, B, it is life-changing, and C, it makes it much more